Let's make soft, fluffy pancakes with no buttermilk, no mixer, and ready in about 15 minutes. For the dry ingredients, you'll need 1 cup or 125 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons or 25 grams of sugar, 2 teaspoons or 8 grams of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, use 1 large egg, 3/4 of a cup or 180 milliliters of milk, 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters of melted butter or neutral oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, which is optional. First, whisk the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt in a medium bowl until everything is evenly combined. In a separate bowl or measuring jug, whisk together the egg, milk, melted butter, and optional vanilla. Pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir gently, only until no dry flour remains. A few small lumps are perfectly fine. Do not overmix the batter, or the pancakes may become dense. Let the batter rest for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, heat a nonstick pan over medium-low heat and grease it lightly only if needed. Use about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Pour it into the warm pan, leaving a little space between each pancake. Cook the first side for about 2 minutes. The pancake is ready to flip when small bubbles appear across the surface and the edges begin to look set. Flip the pancake once, then cook the second side for another 1 to 2 minutes until it is golden and cooked through. If the batter looks too thick, add 1 tablespoon of milk. If it looks too thin, mix in 1 tablespoon of flour. Serve immediately with fruit, yogurt, butter, or maple syrup. Soft, golden, and fluffy every time.